Ayan guys, andito kami sa garden which is napakaraming Hawaiian palm. Ayan po, may caretaker sila, naglilinis. Ayan ang napakagandang Hawaiian palm. Wow, grabe, ang gaganda guys, beautiful. Ayan guys, oh, ang haba guys. Ang dami nilang palm. Hawaiian palm. Ang palm pala guys is maraming klase, maraming varieties. There's a Hawaiian palm. There is a royal. Pero ang pinakamaganda daw guys itong Hawaiian palm. Ayan guys, oh, Hawaiian palm. Ang dami guys. Ayan oh. Parang amazing. Ayan guys, oh, matataas na sila guys, oh. Ang ganda guys, oh. Parang amazing Hawaiian palm. Ayan guys, oh. Ganito guys, oh, nagpapatubo sila. Marami pang lalaki, meaning more money coming. Dami. Sana all. Guys, ang dami guys. Ang guys, ang tataas oh. More palm coming. Ito guys, oh, ang dami pa nila guys. Ayan oh. Ayan. Ayan guys oh. Dami guys. Ganito pala ang garden ng palm, Hawaiian palm. Guys, ayan guys, oh, may dates din sila guys. So nabubuhay ang dates sa Pilipinas. Ayan guys, ang dates oh. Dates. Yan ang palm. It's very pricey. If you need guys Christmas tree, look at this. Yan, sila ang mga caretaker ng garden. Ganda guys.
Style na gawin nata bugimbilya madam na madimukat nga buhay kartibo.
Hanata in aje hang agramut je aje ramut.